This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Painter in Laptop, only way. Now select the source text with the exact formatting you want. Then click the Format Painter icon once for a single use or double-click for repeated applications. And finally click or drag over the target text to apply formatting instantly and consistently across your document without manually changing each style. First, select the text with the formatting you want to copy, including font, size, color, and spacing. Click the Format Painter once to copy formatting for one use, or double-click to lock it for multiple uses. Then drag over the target text or click each item you want to change. Press ESC or click the Format Painter again to turn it off when you are finished. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum upgrades your clean game with voice control and hands-free convenience, making cleanup while you work effortless and oddly satisfying. It's a nice complement to laptop productivity for tidy surroundings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. A great tip is to double-click the Format Painter when you plan to change many sections, which saves repeated clicks. If you change your mind, press ESC to exit and avoid accidental formatting. Remember, the tool copies text and paragraph styles, but may not transfer every element like embedded objects. So check each section after applying formatting to ensure consistency and adjust any leftover styles manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.